Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Renita. Let's make a very simple, quick and easy starter recipe that will impress your family and friends. It is a biscuit topping recipe. I named it Salty Crunchy Bites. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on all my updates. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference. So let's get started. In a clean bowl, add finely chopped onions, finely chopped capsicum, salt and pepper powder. You can also add red, yellow, orange bell peppers instead of capsicum. Mix it well and keep it aside. Let's start plating. Place salty biscuits in your serving plate. Top biscuits with some tomato ketchup or mayonnaise. Spread it evenly. This layering acts as a base to your toppings. Now spoon the topping mixture evenly on each biscuit. Top it with some shredded mozzarella or cheddar cheese. And layer it with some finely chopped coriander leaves. Finally, sprinkle some crispy save on top. That's all. Your super quick, super tasty starter, Salty Crunchy Bites is ready. Serve it immediately. I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share it on Instagram and tag me there. Links to all my social medias are provided in the description box below. Check it out. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.